Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch video. Today I got something a little bit different for you. This was a watch that I had picked up on a discount site, and it was basically, the picture made it look like it was completely different than what it was. And when I received it, it kind of came and it looked like, see those all the dials, everything's fake on it. So basically I complained about it and they gave me my money back on it. But it's a shame because the watch itself is pretty decent quality. It's got a nice tight band. It's got some good weight to it. It's a good, it feels good. It's got a good design to it. The only thing that was horrible about it was this face. The dial was just so fake looking. So I don't know. I guess I'm just going to sit here and I'm going to pull it apart and see if there's something I can do with that face to make it look a little less crappy. I don't know if there's anything I'm going to be able to do for it, but I'm going to give it a shot. So that's what I'm going to do in today's video. And if it comes out good, maybe I'll have a semi-decent watch to be able to add to the collection. So without further ado, I'm going to get into it. But if you do like this content and you want it to keep on coming, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, because it really does help out the channel. And I will have more content coming to you. I have a lot more watches on the way, and I'm just always doing something with watches here. Not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to wear them. I like to buy them, I like to wear them, and I like to review them. So with that said, let's get into this one and see what we can do to try and make this watch halfway decent, even though it is a total piece of junk. Pop the micro off so that way I can get at the back. All right, let's see what we can do here to fix this. See if there's God, it really does look so cheap. Look at that. So I'm just gonna pull the hands off of it. Let's see. Schrodey. Buddy, you can't be up here. I got a watch taken apart. Say hi and say bye. Say hi and say bye. All right. Okay guys, so here's what the finished product looks like. I pulled out the old dial that was in it, the one with all the fake movements on it, and basically I just covered up the remaining part of the dial with some adhesive vinyl, some flat black adhesive vinyl. So it basically just blacks out the watch now, which I think, in my opinion, looks 100% better than it did before, because now it's actually something that I might wear, as opposed to just something that was just a total piece of junk. I mean, by no means is it an excellent watch, but it is a lot better, and at least it is wearable now, that I've done this to it. So everything works great on it. It's it's working. It's got a nice band. I just resized the band. Like I said, it was just a shame that they did what they did with the face. I think they should have put a little bit more into the face, because the rest of the watch is halfway decent. But I think I've really changed the look of it now. I mean, it looks like a very sleek looking dress watch that doesn't look over the top or gaudy. It's just you get the little sliver for the date on it right there. And I think it's, other than that, it's just all flat black. So anyhow, if you like what I did here and you like these videos and you want them to keep on coming, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, because it really does help out the channel. And once again, I want to shout out to my current subscribers. You guys are great. You help me grow this channel, and I couldn't do this without you. So like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next watch review video. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So till next time, I'll see you guys in the next watch review video.